I don't go hunting Easter eggs, they get sent to me right here on Gary Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel, welcome back if you've been here before. Now, today I am building this, the lovely little egg plane P-47 Thunderbolt in whatever scale it happens to be from Hasegawa. This was one of the Easter eggs sent to me by Nick in his Easter surprise package, so thank you very much, Nick. It's a very, very straightforward kit to build. It's just fun, just a lot of fun to put together, but I'll show you how to do it anyway. And if you enjoy the show, as usual, please remember, imperial thumbs up on the like button below. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future videos as they are made. So let's crack on then and have a look at this egg. Oh, see what I did there? Crack on. Forget it. Let's have a look at how I built the plane. First thing to do is join the two fuselage halves together. Straight away you can see why this is called an egg plane. I'll tape that up and fill in the gaps with extra thin cement. We drop the cockpit into the aircraft like this. In the back we have the horizontal stabilisers or tail planes go on. And the wings can go on as well. We can see the basic layout of the plane. It's a jolly little thing it is. Put the canopy on now. You'll notice I've started masking it. This big area here I'll mask with masking fluid, but the rest of it it's been masked off so that I can spray it. Mostly because it's going to be sprayed all over in black gloss and then all over in aluminium, so it'll look fantastic. Drop the propeller axle into the back of the engine part and push that all the way through. Now if you want the propeller to turn, of course you're not going to glue this in. I don't care whether the propeller turns or not, but do you know what? Just for once, because I normally do glue them in place, just for once I'm not going to. Then this whole assembly goes onto the front of the plane. Yeah, slightly out of scale engine, but yeah, whatever. Then I've sprayed this already, because it's a totally different colour. The engine cowling goes on. You can see how the engine sits behind the cowling now. Just glue all that into place and everything's good. And now it's beginning to look a little bit like a plane. You paint the cooling gills here black. Can start putting the undercarriage doors on as well. These shall slot in into the wings directly. Then the undercarriage gear leg can go in. There's only one way around this should go. The knee, if you like, the scissors of the oleo leg point forward and the axle of the wheel points inwards. That should be all you need to do. Then the outer door connects on these two posts on the gear leg, like so. And finally we can put the wheel onto the undercarriage leg like so. There are bombs for under the wings. The body of the bombs, each of them comes in two halves. Then when those are glued together, there's a tail piece that can go on. Just there. Then we can add the propeller. You notice we painted the propeller blades black, the central hub and in aluminium, and the hub cover at the front there yellow. Oh, and the tips as well. And the last thing we can do is just put the bombs on the wings. Now these have to go this way round. For some reason they have to go this way round. The holes are different sizes for different spacings for the two sides of the wings. So there we have it, the Hasegawa P-47 Thunderbolt egg plane. Do you know what? It's a lot of fun. We forget sometimes to have a laugh when we make models, and you know what? It's a silly hobby sometimes, and this is just a very silly thing and a very wonderful thing. As a result, really enjoyed making it. I think the results are quite amusing and quite fun, and do you know what? I just enjoyed it. It put a smile on my face building this, and that can't be a bad thing. Sometimes you take all this just that little bit too seriously. So if you're in mind for a quick sort of mojo build, something for a giggle, an egg plane, can't beat it. See what I did? Beat eggs, yeah. Anyway, sorry about that. It's a good thing. It's a very good thing. There it is then, the Egg P-47 from Hasegawa. I just really enjoyed making that. Hope you do too. If you get one of these types of kits, just have a lot of fun and make it. It's a great mojo builder if you just run down a bit about making kits. Get yourself something fun like this. It's just so rewarding. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, and I hope you did, please remember, imperial thumbs up on the like button below if you haven't done so yet. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future videos as they come out. In any case, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again very, very soon. Take care now. Goodbye.